Hey guys, and welcome to Crypto World, a channel where all we do is chat about crypto. Quickly before we start, we would want to let you know that this is not a financial advice and we are not financial consultants, so before investing any money, please do your own research. That being said, to the video now. The world has gone a long way since the advent of The Sims, a life simulation computer game that enabled players to interact with the gaming environment via their digital identities in 2000. Nonetheless, it was a game similar to many others at the time. By 2021, humans will be living in a virtual world version of themselves. They are exchanging cryptocurrencies as a legitimate form of money, purchasing digital outfits, and amassing non-fungible tokens of digital art. As a result, the virtual real estate platform Decentraland was inevitable. On the 25th of November, the New York Post reported that Metaverse Group, the NFT-based metaverse real estate business that is a subsidiary of Tokens.com, has acquired a $2.43 million plot of land on Decentraland. This sum exceeds the previous record for the greatest metaverse land purchase. The firm purchased the 116-parcel estate in the heart of the fashion street sector, according to a corporate statement. The acquisition, the business said, would assist in its entry into the digital fashion space. In addition, Metaverse Group intends to form collaborations with various established fashion companies seeking to reach new audiences and develop their e-commerce services inside the metaverse, the announcement said. However, this is not all. Barbados inked a deal with Decentraland on the 15th of November to build its virtual embassy on the platform in January 2022, becoming the platform's first nation to do so. Decentraland is a decentralized virtual world software platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows for the purchase and sale of virtual parcels of land. Individuals may design their own micro-worlds complete with virtual trees, airplanes, and more. To put it simply, Decentraland is similar to virtual reality video games, but it is more immersive and real digital asset ownership. From digital buildings and fast transit systems to movie theaters and hotels, this site has everything that exists in the actual world. Decentraland's popularity skyrocketed after Facebook's corporate rebranding as Meta. Facebook's action resulted in a significant increase in interest in the notion of the metaverse. In Decentraland, what is a piece of land? On the system, there are a total of 90,601 unique pieces of virtual land. Each is in the form of an NFT, which is referred to as a land. As a result, a land transfer is a non-financial transaction. Once a parcel of land has been acquired, the player may utilize it to construct a completely virtual city from scratch. The Land Estates feature on Decentraland allows you to manage many parcels of land at the same time. Districts are groupings of land that have a common concept and may be grouped together. This enables a group of people who have a same interest to get together and build a community. Agora is a voting mechanism that enables people to have more influence over the developments in their own districts. How does it work? Land in Decentraland may be purchased using a cryptocurrency called as Mana, which is in turn entirely decentralized in its operation. It is true that Mana is used to conduct all transactions inside this virtual environment. Trading takes place in the marketplace, which serves as a one-stop shop for land, estates, avatars, and other commodities that players will need to construct their virtual world. Users are needed to store their Mana tokens in an Ethereum wallet in order for the blockchain to monitor who owns what piece of land they are purchasing. When we wrote this, one Mana was trading at $3.60 per unit. Animation and interactivity are used by the platform to enable creators to construct their worlds. Smart contracts on Ethereum are used to construct three major levels of the system. The consensus layer is responsible for maintaining the ledger that tracks the ownership of land acquisitions. The content layer is in charge of controlling the distribution of parcels as well as rendering content like as music, images, and voice communication. To conclude, all peer-to-peer connections inside Decentralized are made via the real-time layer. This includes social interactions as well as business transactions. So, what about investing? Land acquisition in Decentraland should be approached with caution and deliberation. The world is expanding gradually and swiftly into the metaverse, yet we are still in the early phases of development. In the markets, there will be extremes of bullishness and bearishness at each end of the spectrum. In the near term, it is possible that there may be booms followed by busts. This therefore is a good reason why you need at least one Decentraland. Price prediction is a reason for having at least one Decentraland. According to our Decentraland forecasts, a long-term growth in the value of the cryptocurrency is projected. The price projection for 2026 is $4.87. With a 5-year investment, revenue is predicted to increase by around plus 725.42%, making it a lucrative investment. Assuming the cryptocurrency markets remain stable, Decentraland token is poised to maintain its strong position as a key investment attraction. According to our independent 2022 Decentraland Mana price estimate, the road ahead is full of blossoms if investor confidence continues to grow. According to the projection, people should invest now to earn significantly afterwards. In order to improve the user experience, Decentraland has built a fast, dependable network. According to our Decentraland price predictions, these qualities may enable the Mana token reach $6.70 in 2023. If the need for functional crypto persists beyond 2023, our Decentraland Mana price projection may come true. Decentraland Mana pricing forecast for the year. There are many future predictions for Decentraland. Considering the company's technical advancements, it is unlikely that the Mana price would exceed $8 on the crypto market. Moreover, Decentraland is involved in community initiatives, and as a result of their efforts, we are optimistic about the token's future growth in terms of different factors such as prices, volume, upgrades, and so on. This is because they have maintained their momentum, amassed a significant market capitalization, and launched initiatives with a focus on education, outreach, and innovation. Following the passage of the psychological resistance level, according to Decentraland's Mana price projection, the Mana token may trade at an appreciable level of $9.40 in 2025, which would be its long-term price. If all market conditions are good, Mana, a digital asset, is poised to overcome all boundaries and flourish exuberantly, climbing the top as previously predicted in 2026. According to our independent cryptocurrency projection, Mana will undoubtedly show indications of fortune for its consumers over the course of the next year, transcending all restrictions. A solid smart contract-based forecast for the future suggests that the Decentraland price would easily reach $10.50 by the end of 2026. The forecast is backed up by historical data and robust smart contracts. Is it then a good investment? Not a financial advice again, but we think that, yes, Mana crypto coin has the potential to be a rewarding investment, especially given the upward trend in virtual reality and the metaverse, if it is purchased after doing comprehensive market research. Because of the extremely volatile nature of cryptocurrencies, crypto traders must exercise additional care while making trading choices with them in order to reduce risk to a bare minimum. What is the maximum elevation that Decentraland can reach? Approximately 5 years from now, the Decentraland projection forecasts that the average price of Decentraland cryptocurrency will reach $12. Price forecasts suggest that it will reach an average value of $5.10 by the year 2022, an increase from its current value of $0. What is behind the rise in the price of Decentraland? Because of the rapidity with which transactions are completed, the Decentraland initiative is a distinctive attraction for purchasers all over the globe who are interested in its goods and financial services. According to the favorable price forecast, Mana's value may increase in the future since it enables cryptocurrency users to conduct transactions in order to purchase virtual space in the form of NFTs. During the past few months, NFTs have gained in popularity, and as a result, Decentraland's popularity has skyrocketed, assisting in the expansion of its ecosystem, as well as the increase in its price. Why do people put their faith in Decentraland? Decentraland is the Ethereum-based metaverse that is expanding at the highest rate. You may develop your own programs, explore the worlds of other users, and even trade in order to make money. The primary reason for using the Mana token is the guaranteed speed provided by Decentraland. A decentralized platform only contributes to the scientific algorithm of safety and speed, eventually causing the general public to trust the platform as the future price of Decentraland continues to rise. I believe the above reasons are encouraging reasons why one needs to settle on investing at least one Decentraland. But remember, it is your choice to make, and before doing that, ensure that you conduct your further research and consult the financial experts. The research should be extensive.